Ako ro. Jokes din lang.
Oh no. I hope I won't.
Ipanumpa kong titikabihan upang aguktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong di ko mubuhin ang kinabuhi ko kanino.
Kain muna kasi parang gutom na ata lahat, no? Kain muna tayo, then after nito kain muna, then presentation na naman tayo. Cadets and cadets, once again, let's enjoy the night at magpakasaya tayo. You have the floor para magsayawan tayo mamaya.
Mga mata kong naligid ka po yun, huwag akong lughan. Kanunay ngalan mo lang ang sampito, di ko magduha-duhaog ikang kung mahulog ka, andam kung mahulog mo pan, isa na sa kadadon, linig panahon. Ipanumpa kong titikabihan upang aguktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong di ko mabuhin ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, ako ang galangpan, ako imong tamin o ginagiban, luyo nining tanan. O kung may kaluman ang kalimutan, ito magduha-duhaong tikang kung mahulog ka, andam kung mahulog uban, isa na sa kadalong nining panahon. Ipanumpa kong titikabihan upang aguktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong di ko mubuhin ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa.
Be a good citizen. Mabago sa bansa natin kung di tayo. You are the catalyst of change. Ngayong mga ROTC, I expect a lot sa inyo na magiging officers kayo. Because our aim here is to produce equality leaders, introduce equality officers. Nice po pasalamatan yung commander natin at saka mga personnel dito sa 10 RCDG sa mga untiring support nila na ginawad na nila dito sa atin. Without the support of our group commander, hindi ito magiging successful. We had the coordination ito lang afternoon. Actually, afternoon lang ako nag-coordinate kasi yung dahil sa hectic yung schedule. Ngayon ko lang kung hapon ang open up sa kanya. But with that, nakita niya yung intention is maganda. They go with it, approve, okay, walang problema. Then they support. So, time will come, you will reach your precious destination. You will reach your precious destinations with your patience and perseverance. Tapos be observant. As cadet officers, you must be observant. That is one of the quality of the leader. Hindi yung bira lang ng bira, tira lang ng tira. Dapat nandun yung pagiging observant. You practice on that. Madala-dala nyo yan habang tataas na yung level ninyo with regards to your sa academic ninyo, pati na rin yung level of advancement ninyo sa kanil ninyo bilang isang kadete. Para huwag kayong maging major in ROTC din namin. Huwag kayong major in ROTC. Ayaw ko dito sa 10 topic na sabihin ng mga teachers na major in ROTC ang mga kadete ng 10 topic. No. We prove to them that we are equality cadets. We prove to them. Do your best shots para hindi tayo makaya. Time will come, your professors, your teachers will appreciate you. That is one of my best student. Ganun yung sabihin nila. Gusto kong ganun na return ang maririnig ko. Time will come, tataas din kami, the level. Abot na kami sa higher unit. Makikita niyo ako. Sir, ako yung kadete mo. Hindi ko nga kayo maalala lahat. Hindi na namin kayo maalala lahat. But we can assure that you will be in good hands habang andito kami sa 10 OBCC. Alam ko, na malayo pa yung marami.
Buti, ulap ko patay.
Hi, moms. Dali na ka, moms. Hi, moms. Hi, moms. Nag-ubo-ubo mga diya, moms.
Took a morning ride to the place where you and I were supposed to meet. City on the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you.
Promotional ba yan eh?
You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You. Oh, 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 oh. Took the morning ride, gotta leave this all behind.
My
For you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can control. Round it goes. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
So I'm coming home to you.
Bye-bye.
All I need, the very air I breathe.
Pasto pa. Ay, bugo!
Any questions thrown to the skies, and all of the answers are found in your
Buyers!
eyes.
Again, ang tindog-tindog, bakit ding enjoy?
Found a way home. I 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 found a way home. So I'm coming home to you. Coming home to you.
Okay, cut. Ay, baka na bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Video ako to eh.
Sige, sir. Sir, apa, sir?